You want to know how to make money online as a complete beginner? This video is for you. Hi, my name is Lizelle and I built a 2 million rand business online without prior experience. Back in 2023, I was a stressed out mother, tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I was already working full-time. So here's the problem. I knew I needed to make more money. I just didn't know how because I was already busy. So I found this amazing online system that would teach me step by step what I needed to do in 2 hours a day to be able to earn an income online. And I'm about to share that with you. Firstly, you need a product or a service that people actually want. Something you get 100% profit for. Doesn't help you selling lip glosses and you're only getting 25% of the profit, because that means you're gonna have to sell hundreds and hundreds just to make a decent income. I have a product where I get 100% profit for because I purchased a done for you program that gave me everything that I needed to be able to earn and learn at the exact same time. I didn't have to know what digital marketing was about. I didn't need my own digital product. I could immediately start. Second thing is you need to automate your business. If you are not automating your business, it means you're going to have to work more to be able to earn more, right? In my case, in this done for you system, I just have to put in 2 hours a day and I've got my automated system working in the background for me 24/7. That means I can make sales while I'm at the salon. The third thing that you need is you need to know how to be discovered. If you have your product or service and it's in high demand and you have your automated system, how are people going to know the solution that you have for their problem if they can't find you? You need to know how to be discovered on social media. If you want to learn how to follow this exact same program that I did, that made me $1 million in my first 6 months, comment yes, and I would absolutely love to share this with you. In the next video, I'm going to share exactly what I do in 2 hours a day that generates this passive income and that can do the same for you.